You honestly wouldn't believe it if I told you how many pairs of denim jeans we sell each year on Mr. Porter. And it really goes to show that there are so many different cuts, washes, weights, embellishments, rips, no rips, you name it. We've got them all, and here are some of the best for this season. Jeans are just the most useful piece of clothing you can have in your wardrobe, and they can really do it all. And this one I'd put in the semi-formal business category. Jeans are from Jill Sander. They're very straight in a dark wash. I paired it with a polo shirt from Brunello Cucinelli, which is also matched with the Depotrio blazer, again in a navy wool. There's a lot of talk at the moment about where trousers are going. Are they going much slimmer? Are they going much wider? And the safest bet is straight down the middle, and that is quite literally with a pair of straight denim jeans. And finish with shoes, which are from Edward Green, which is just one of the most impressive shoemakers that England have got to offer. It's unlined, and it's called the Dover model. Great for off-duty business. It's just the perfect look for a long day of meetings and into the evening. Patch pockets also make it a little bit more casual. Whilst the whole world can seemingly be run from what's in the palm of our hands, there will never be a replacement for a briefcase. And this one's from Menswear. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bag from a beautiful greige-like suede. I mean, it really says a statement as soon as you walk into the boardroom. So personal preference, but I don't think enough men wear white jeans. I'm a massive advocate for it and probably have more pairs of white jeans than I do in any shade of blue. These are from Le Mer. In fact, the whole outfit's from Le Mer in a really, really wide and generous cut. It's just a fun way to play with proportions, and also white is just the perfect kind of base for any outfit, as we all know, anything goes with it. So don't overlook white in your wardrobe. The denim jacket is also from Le Mer, as I just mentioned, and it's kind of in a more of a boxy cut, a bit more cropped on the body. Again, it just plays with proportions in quite an interesting way. And finally, top tip, a really simple way to add some more detail, some more definition, make it look like you've made a bit more of an effort or some conscious decisions, is pressing in a sharp crease into the jeans. Just adds that layer of like crispness, and it kind of really brings it all together in quite a cool, modern, fresh way. So where would you go with this sort of outfit? Well, for me, it really speaks to spring, summer. I mean, it is a very, very summery outfit. Lose the jacket, you've got quite a nice boxy Le Mer tee in a lovely, lovely chocolate brown. And it just, screams spring, summer, screams weekend, screams pub garden, you name it. It's a great one for anything like that. So the final look in this 3 ways to wear jeans looks to MF Pen, a brand based in Copenhagen. I have a few pairs of trousers by them, and they were a great, great fit for me. These are a medium, and normally I'm like a large or even an XL, so it's great for someone who's got kind of slightly bigger legs. It's fun, it's springy, it's summery, and the pink shoes just kind of really give it a sense of joy. Pairing it with a new shirt from a brand called God's True Linen. You may have heard of them already as God's True Cashmere, but as the name suggests, there's just linen, but in their kind of signature, really bright, charming checks and like a myriad of different colours. It's a real effortless and easy look that kind of takes you from day into night, particularly. It's a real weekend look, that's what I would say. Finished with a pair of sunglasses from Jacques de Marie-Mage, and this is probably one of my favourite outfits of the 3. And final note, if you're ever struggling to find that finishing touch to an outfit, whatever that might be, jewellery, I've got a selection from Peyote Bird, really gorgeous in sterling silver with turquoise stones, which is also matched on this side. And it just feels very, very summery, very seasonal, very on trend, and a great way to finally finish a look with denim jeans.